Ladies and gentlemen, now on a final approach, just get to give one final check. The seatbelt is securely fastened. Make a routine check of the nearest exit, bearing in mind it may be behind you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Heathrow. For your comfort, but especially for your safety, please remain in your seat with the seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft stop moving and the captain switched off the overhead fasten seatbelt sign. Please check the overhead bin seat pocket in front of you and the floor area around your seat for your personal belongings before you leave the aircraft. Please be careful when you open the overhead bins. Items which become displaced during the flight can fall out, causing injury to you or to fellow passengers. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. We do hope you've enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to welcome aboard another Aer Lingus flight in the not too distant future. Don't forget your website aerlingus.com for great fares, travel insurance, hotels and car hire. For those of you with Adobe connections, you follow the signs for Flight Connection Centre, which is clearly signposted throughout the terminal building here, and we land into Terminal 2. As security personnel in Heathrow may request you identify yourself, may we suggest you have some form of identification to hand, such as your passport or your driving licence. Thank you. Have a safe onward journey.